Hi, I'm Bob Swirsel. I'm in Seattle, Washington, and we're going to ride to the Move Redmond Open Streets Festival. Enjoy! From my apartment on Beacon Hill, I hopped onto the I-90 Mountains to Sound Trail for a direct route across Lake Washington into Bellevue. There was wildfire smoke in the air, but it was less severe on the east side than in Seattle. Located off the side of 156th Avenue Southeast in Bellevue is my favorite Dahlia garden. The Dahlia flowers are so pretty and plentiful around this time of year. I then used routes like the Lake to Lake Trail, East Bellevue Greenway, oops, that was a wrong turn, and West Lake Sammamish Parkway. After reaching the Sammamish River Trail, I was nosy and felt compelled to check out new construction on the 2-line of the light rail that will be extended to the future Marymore Village station, a new trail crossing over Bear Creek, and future downtown Redmond station. Riding through downtown Redmond, I finally made it to the Move Redmond Open Streets Festival. This ride-through bike wash was really cool, or I should say it was cold, but still refreshing on this hot day.
Okay.
Thank you for joining me on this ride to the Move Redmond Open Streets Festival. It was a lot of fun. If you want to see more of my content, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.